I bought my first Wingstop just because I love lemon pepper wings. You know what I'm saying? I just really wanted to just have my own spot. I could pull up in a Ferrari, got my date with me, walk in, you know what I need, baby. You know what I'm saying? And it went from one franchise because you spend $300. I made $1 million the first year. Okay, I want another. I want another. I want another. And you could do that, but you also got to have amazing managers, amazing, hustlers that's on the fryers, the ones who gonna keep the restrooms clean. All of that plays a role in making sure that franchise is maximizing its output every year.
How many franchises do you have now?
I don't know.
That many?
Yeah.
That many right there.
Rose, stop counting.